Here's a quick tutorial on how you can create an album on SoundCloud. So it's really simple, just follow the steps that I'll show you right now. So I'm in my SoundCloud website right here. And what you want to do is come to your profile by clicking here and going to profile. Then you will come in your profile and then come to tracks right here. And here you can see all the tracks that you have created and uploaded. So then just click on more under one of your tracks that you want to add to the album. Click on more, click on add to playlist. So it will be considered a playlist at first, but we can change that to an album. So I'll show you how to do this too. And now you can add all the songs or tracks that you want to add into your album. So I'll just do both my tracks right here. Then click on save. Oh, and you need the title, of course. So I will name it My First Album. Then click on save. Now you can go to your playlist by clicking here. So now as you can see, it doesn't yet have the album cover and it's still considered a playlist and not an album. So click on edit right here and then upload the image that you want as your cover. So I'll do this, and then here you can choose the release date and you can choose the playlist type. That's what is really important. So right now you can see it is considered a playlist, but we want this to be an album. So what we can do is select album right here. And now as you can see, the playlist type is album. Then you can add the description, additional tags, anything you want, and click save changes. And then when you come to your profile, so let's come to the profile again. Here we can see under playlists, there's nothing, but when you go to album, it's right here. So that's how you can create an album on SoundCloud. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.